Days pass by and my eyes get dry, and I think that I'm okay till I find myself in conversation free. The way you smile, the way you walk, the time you took to teach me all that you had taught. Tell me, how am I supposed to move on? These days are becoming everything that I hate. Pushing you around, but it's too late. My mind's a place that I can't escape. Your face.